Jobai Beal, now gone, the hidden water wonderland of northern Bangladesh. Tucked away in the calm countryside of Sapaharu Upazila in Now-Gone district, Jobai Beal is a tranquil and lesser-known wetland that captures the natural charm of rural Bangladesh. During the monsoon and winter seasons, the Beal, a large natural water body, spreads like a shimmering blue lake surrounded by lush green paddy fields and distant village homes. This peaceful water body transforms into a bird sanctuary in winter. Migratory birds arrive in flocks, filling the air with life and sound, making it a dream destination for birdwatchers and nature lovers. Fishermen can be seen casting their nets, local children play on bamboo rafts, and the entire landscape becomes a living painting of rustic beauty. Though not as famous as other tourist hotspots, Jobai Beal offers a quiet escape from city life. With its still waters, soft winds, and natural melodies, it's an ideal place for photography, picnic, or just sitting by the bank in silence.